Good morning students. Today I am going to start your statistics chapter. So before starting exercise 15.1, I have sent you all the formulas of mean, median and mode as well as mean deviation and standard deviation through the broadcasting channel, and all those formulas and the concepts you have to write down in your fair notebook, and then only you can able to solve these questions. So the first question is that we have to find out the mean deviation from mean. तो mean deviation from mean मतलब सबसे पहले हमको mean कैलकुलेट करना होगा, और ये सीरीज हमारी इंडिविजुअल सीरीज है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 17. The mean first we have to calculate. Here the number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N equals to 8. Sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. We add up all these variates. We will get summation x equals to 80. And mean we can calculate summation of x by n. 80 by 8 equals to 10. Now this is the value of m. So our formula is for deviation x minus m, because we are calculating from mean. So here m stands for mean. So 10, 4 minus 10 minus 6, 7 minus 10 minus 3, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 10 0, 12 minus 10 2, 13 minus 10 3, 17 minus 10 7. After that we have to get the modulus of this deviation d. Modulus means all the negative values will become positive and positive will become positive only. सभी वैल्यूज मॉडुलस पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. जितने नेगेटिव वैल्यूज हैं पॉजिटिव कर देंगे और पॉजिटिव वाले पॉजिटिव. ऑल द नेगेटिव वैल्यूज विल बिकम पॉजिटिव एंड द पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज विल रिमेन सेम एज सच. नाउ यू ऐड अप ऑल दिस मॉडुलस ऑफ d, वी गेट 24. फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीन डेविएशन इज समेशन ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ d अपॉन n. 24 upon 8 is equals to 3. That is the mean deviation calculated from mean. Question number 2 is also same, that you have to do it. Now question number 3. Now we have to calculate the mean deviation from median. तो individual series का median calculate करने के लिए first of all we are arranging the data in the ascending order of its magnitude. So here n is equals to 12, which is even number of data. So median will be calculated by n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So 12 by 2 plus 12 by 2 plus 1 will become 6th term and the 7th term. And 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13 and 7th term is 14. 13 plus 14 divided by 2 is 13.5. So our median of this data is 13.5. Now here d is equals to, I am writing down x minus me. मतलब m मतलब median और m मतलब mean. We are calculating the mean deviation from mean, and this we are calculating the mean deviation from median. The same process we have to follow as we have followed in the first question. Median we got 13.5. Now d equal to x minus me. हर एक वेरिएट में से 13.5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, and after that each negative value will become positive as we take the modulus of deviation, and positive will remain as such. We will add up all the modulus of d data. We will get 28, and applying the formula 28 and number of data are 12. So our final answer of the mean deviation is 2.33. Now in question number 5 we are going to calculate the mean deviation from mean, but it is for the grouped series. X and F will be given, variates and frequencies will be given to you for the grouped series 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Total of the frequency becomes 25. We know that to calculate the mean for the grouped series, formula is summation fx upon summation f. So summation fx will be calculated 5 into 7 35, 10 into 4 40, 15 into 6 90, 20 into 3 60, 25 into 5 125, and we add up 350. These all problems, mean calculation, median calculations we have done in class 10. Same process. So 350 by 25 40. D equals to x minus m. Mean is 14. So 5 minus 14 minus 9, 10 minus 14 minus 4, 15 minus 14 1, 20 minus 46, 25 minus 40, 11. Now we take the mod of D, we make the negative values as positive, and then we calculate f into mod of D. So 7 into 9 63, 4 into 4 16, 6 into 1 6, 3 into 6 18, 5 into 11 55. Add up all these data, we will get the total 158, and our mean division formula is summation of f into modulus of D upon summation f, that is 158 by 25 equal to 6.32. Now the next question, question number 7, we have to calculate the mean deviation of the grouped series data from median. So x and f is given, variates and frequencies 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15, frequency 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Total of the frequency is 26. For calculating the cumulative frequency, we have to add up all these frequencies. In case of median, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. And now the median number is calculated by the formula n equals to n plus 1 by 2, where n is our total of the frequencies, 26 plus 1 by 2, 13.5. This 13.5 comes under the cumulative frequency column. First it just approaches in 14 and its corresponding median is 7, so the median will be 7. Now we have to subtract this median from each of the variates, as the formula is D equals to x minus m e median. So 5 minus 7 minus 2, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 7 3, 12 minus 7 5, 15 minus 7 8. Now we can keep the modulus of D, all the values, this value will be positive, and f into modulus of D, that is 8 into 2 16, 6 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 5 10, 6 into 8 48. After adding, we get summation of f into modulus of D equals to 84, and our mean division formula same as such. So 84 divided by, sorry, this will be not summation. Yes, this is summation f. 84 divided by 26 is equals to 3.23. And suppose if I want to calculate the coefficient of mean deviation, one more thing I am adding here, coefficient of mean deviation upon, we have calculated the mean deviation from median. If we are calculating the mean deviation from mean, then our formula, in the previous question you can see, coefficient of mean deviation अगर निकालना है तो मीन डेविएशन अपॉन, इसको कैलकुलेट किया गया था मीन से, तो डिवाइड बाय मीन फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा 6.32 अपॉन मीन इज अवर 14, that you can calculate it, that will be your answer for the coefficient of mean deviation. In this case we have calculated the mean deviation by median, so our mean deviation answer 3.23 upon median is our 7. You divide by 7 and that whatever you get, that will be the coefficient of mean deviation. Now be careful in question number 9 and question number 11, where we are calculating the mean deviation from the mean. Very higher values are coming, and here by calculating from the median, the decimal values are coming. So this is the question, class limits, frequencies. In case of mean, it doesn't make any difference if there is a exclusive or inclusive. If you convert also inclusive to exclusive, doesn't matter. Frequencies are given. Mid value x equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 0 plus 100 divided by 250, difference is 100. So we will go on adding 100 to it, we will get the mid values of each corresponding class limits. Now formula for mean, summation of x upon summation f, multiplying each corresponding values of x and f and adding the value of fx, 17900 divided by summation of 50, that is 358. Very higher value is coming. So lot of calculations will be there. So we concentrate on it while calculating. Now 50 minus 358 minus 308. अब in between these two difference कितना है? -100. इसमें प्लस 100 करते जाना है, तो इसमें भी -308 में प्लस 100 कर दीजिए, प्लस 100 -208 प्लस 100 -108 प्लस 100 -8. Now it will come to the positive value. So when it comes a positive value, just subtract 450 minus 358. You will get 92. Now you go on adding 100 here. 192, 292, 392. तो एक बार डिसेंडिंग एक बार असेंडिंग आपका मिड वैल्यूज आएगा. Now take the modulus of all these deviations and f into mod of d multiply and get the final value of summation of f into modulus of d. That is 7896. Apply the formula and that will be your answer, 157.92. Now we have to calculate question number 11, mean deviation from its median. So how to calculate the median? You already studied in class 10. We will take the cumulative frequency. In the last question of this exercise, it is given that to calculate the mean deviation from median. In case of median, there is inclusive series, inclusive limits are there. So that inclusive limits you have to convert into the exclusive limits, then only you have to calculate the median. But here the class limits are exclusive. So we will take cumulative frequency of these frequencies. We get 50. In case of class limits, the median number is calculated by the formula n equals to n by 2, where n is the total of the frequencies. 50 by 2, 25. 25 comes under the cumulative frequency table, just approaching 28, and its corresponding class limit 2830 will be the median class. So lower limit of median class L1 20, lower limit of median class L2 30, and f is the frequency of the median class, that is 14, and c is the frequency of the cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. Median class कौन सा है? 20 से 30, और cumulative frequency just इसके ऊपर वाली क्लास का cumulative frequency, that is 14. So median is given by the formula from the last year I am giving you, L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon f into n minus c. Substitute the values, and now here what we have, in every previous questions whatever we have solved it, we are getting the whole number as mean or median. It is easy to subtract, but here we are getting a decimal number 27.85. So be careful while subtraction. Here directly I am taking the mod of d value. Directly also we can take whatever the negative it is coming, we will make it as a positive number only. So one thing I forgot here to calculate the mid value. So in the starting only I have calculated mid value 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Difference is 10. So 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 10, 55. Now this value 27.85 will be subtracted from each of the variables. 5 minus 27.85 will be minus 22.85. But since it is calculating here directly mod, so it will be positive. अब difference कितने का है? 10 का है. So subtract 10 from 22.85, it will become 12.85. Then subtract 12, 2.85. अब आपका क्या है? नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव बनने वाला है. वैल्यू क्या है? इस से बढ़ने वाली है. So 35 यहाँ ग्रेटर हो गया 27.85 से. So 35 minus 27.85 will get 7.15. Now we go on adding 7.15 plus 10, 17.15, 17.15 plus 10, 27.15. Okay. Now f into modulus of d. F into modulus of d. 6 into this value gets this. 8 into 12.85, 102.8. 14 into 2.85, 39.9. 16 into 7.15, 114.4. 4 into 17.15, 68.6. 2 into 27.5, 54.5. On addition, 517.1. So be careful, be concentrate whenever you are multiplying, subtracting and adding. If any mistake comes, there will be a problem for you to find out where is the mistake. So be careful while solving these decimal problems. So mean deviation equals to summation of f of d upon summation of f, 5.7.1 upon summation of 50. That is our answer is 10.34. So please practice such problems. Now comes question number 1. Another topic, standard deviation, exercise 15.2. The first question, it is for individual series. Question number 4, it is for the group series. In individual series, only the variates will be given, and in the group series, variates as well as the corresponding frequencies will be given to you. We will solve all these questions by shortcut method only. It will be easy for us. In this case, as we are taking the assumed mean for calculating the mean by shortcut method, in the same way we have to take the assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be our assumed mean. Okay. Now deviation, जैसे कि mean deviation में अपन मॉडुलस ऑफ d निकालते थे, पॉजिटिव करते थे वैल्यूज को, यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. Here, if the deviation is negative, let it be negative. If it is positive, let it be in positive only. No need of converting the every sign to the positive sign. So 12, 6 minus 12 minus 6, 7 minus 12 minus 5, 10 minus 12 minus 2, 12 minus 12 0, 13 minus 12 1, 4 minus 12 minus 8, 8 minus 12 minus 4, 12 minus 12 0. If we calculate its sum, summation d is minus 24, and now we take d square. When we square, it will become a positive value. Minus into minus plus. 36, 25, 4, 0, 1, 64, 16, 0. Calculate the total of summation d square, 146. As we have to find out the mean and the variance, mean is formula a plus summation d upon n. Substitute the values and our answer is 9. Now for calculating the standard deviation, for calculating the variance, first we will calculate the standard deviation, and whatever the value of standard deviation we are getting, we will make a square of it. That will be the answer for the variance. So formula under root over summation d square upon n minus summation d upon n the whole square. Summation d square is 146, and 146 upon n is 8, and summation d is minus 24. Minus 24 upon 8, that is minus 3. Minus 3 का square हो जाएगा 9. Take LCM, simplify. At last we take the square of it because we have calculated the variance. So sigma square 74 by 8 square root side will be vanished out, and after division our answer will be 9.25. Now the question number 4, we have to calculate the standard mean variance and the mean and the variance of this question number 4 given group series. So x and f will be given to us as we are calculating in the class 10th. In the same way we have to calculate the mean first. 6, 10, 40, 18, 24, 28, 30 are the variates, and the corresponding frequencies are 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4, 3. Total of the frequency 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is an odd number, so we make it as even. 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be our assumed mean. Now 6 minus 18 minus 12, 10 minus 18 minus 8, 14 minus 18 minus 4, 18 minus 18 0, 24 minus 18 6, 28 minus 18 10, 30 minus 18 12. So we got the derivation, no need of making it as a positive in this case. D square 144, 64, 16, 0, 36, 100, 144. Now our formula is for calculating mean is a plus summation of d upon summation f. A is 18 plus summation f is 40, and summation f is 40, and summation f is also our 40. So 40 by 41, 18 plus 1, 19 is the mean. For calculating the standard deviation, we have to find out fd square and summation of fd. So summation of fd we have calculated multiplying f with d, each corresponding values, that is f dot d, and then f into d square, 2 into 144, 288, 4 into 64, 256, 7 into 16, 112, 12 into 0, 0, 8 into 36, 288, 4 into 100, 400, 3 into 144, 432, and add up. Be careful when you add the columns. यहाँ का वैल्यू वहाँ ऐड नहीं करना है, नहीं तो मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. f into d जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हमें मिला, और जब f और d स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें FD² मिलेगा। Be careful when you multiply the columns, what you are going to multiply, whether F into D or F into D². And then substitute all the values in the formula and calculate it. And at last we can do the square of this standard deviation to get the variance of the given series. So variance will be equals to 43.4. Now, today's 15.2, the last question, question number 8. All the three varieties of calculating the standard deviation, variance or mean I had explained here in 3 questions. Rest of all the questions of 15.1 and 15.2 you have to complete it in your fair notebook. And in next video I will be explaining you about 15.3 exercises, how to calculate the variance, coefficient of variance, that such all things. Okay. So question number 8, class limits are given. Now we have to calculate the variance or standard deviation for the class interval series problem. So class interval limits are given. It must be exclusive. 5, 8, 15, 16, 6 corresponding frequencies of the class limits are given to you. Add up all the frequencies, total is 50. Now we calculate the mid value. X equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Difference between two consecutive lower limits is I equal to 10. So we go on adding 10, 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10, 45. Now we will calculate from the variate as the assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we are getting odd number. 5 plus 1. 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 25 will be our assumed mean. Now, I am calculating mean here by step deviation method as you have learned in the class 10th also. Now, deviation will be for step deviation method x minus a upon I. So, first x is 5 minus a minus 25. 5 minus 25 will be minus 20 upon 10 minus 2. और -2 से बड़ा नंबर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखते चले जाएंगे -1 0 1 and 2. Now d² 4 1 0 1 4 and now f into d, that is 5 into -2 -10, 8 into -1 -8, 15 into 0 0, 16 into 1 16, 6 into 2 12. Keep the finger and then multiply. Okay. And now FD² के 5 into 4 20, 8 into 1 8, 15 into 0 15, 16 into 1 16, 6 into 4 24. Add up all the values of FD, add up all the corresponding values of FD² and then apply the formula standard deviation sigma by standard deviation method I into square root of summation FD² upon summation F minus summation FD upon summation F the whole square. Now I is 10, substitute the value, summation FD² is 68, summation F is 50 and summation FD is 10, summation F is 50, 10 upon 50 1 by 5 का square 1 by 25, take the LCM 66 upon 50 आ गया। और अब हमको वेरिएंस निकालना है तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का स्क्वायर करना होगा। 10 का स्क्वायर 100, दिस स्क्वायर रूट विल बी वैनिश्ड आउट 66 upon 50, 52 is 100, 66 into 2 132 is the answer. Okay, you can use any formula from any textbook, okay, but your calculations and the tabular calculations must be perfect and 100% okay. Understood? So be careful whenever you are solving the questions related to statistics about the mean deviation from mean deviation from median. In that you have to calculate first mean and then mean deviation. If it is from median, you have to calculate first median and then mean deviation. And standard deviation, individual series, grouped series and class interval series. 3 varieties of problems are there. So in the next class I will explain you remaining near about 10 to 20% of this chapter. Thank you.